Hello, welcome to my channel Authentic. Today we see a glimpse of Toyota Yaris 2025. The 2025 Toyota Yaris is a compact hatchback with a fresh look, refined features, and improved performance. Known for its reliability and efficiency, the new Yaris boasts a modern, sophisticated design and is a great option for city dwellers and young professionals. Toyota has maintained its legacy of blending comfort, safety, and value, while adding advanced tech features that are usually found in higher-end models. Front design: the 2025 Yaris has a sharper and sportier front fascia. A prominent trapezoidal grille dominates the front, framed by sleek, redesigned LED headlights with daytime running lights DRLs. The bonnet is slightly sloped, creating an aerodynamic profile that enhances both its aesthetic appeal and fuel efficiency. Side profile wheels: the sides feature more defined creases along the doors, adding a dynamic edge to the overall profile. Toyota has upgraded the Yaris with stylish 16-inch alloy rims, giving it a premium stance. The side mirrors are now auto-folding with integrated turn indicators, and subtle chrome detailing along the window line enhances the vehicle's sleek silhouette. Rear design: at the rear, the Yaris features a new set of angular LED taillights that wrap around the edges of the car, offering a cohesive design flow from the sides to the rear. A slightly raised spoiler and a more aggressive bumper give the car a sportier touch, making it a standout in its class. Cabin design comfort: the 2025 Yaris brings an upgraded cabin with a blend of high-quality materials. Soft touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and a well-organized dashboard create an inviting environment. The 7-inch digital driver display is one of the highlights, delivering vital driving information and customizable settings. Infotainment tech: a floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The system also includes Toyota's advanced voice recognition software, making it easier to control navigation, calls, and media without taking your hands off the wheel. Space practicality: despite its compact size, the Yaris surprises with ample interior space, especially for front passengers. The rear seats are split-folding, allowing for flexible cargo capacity when needed. The boot offers 286 liters of space, perfect for weekend getaways or daily errands. Engine performance: under the hood, the Toyota Yaris 2025 comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 118 horsepower and 110 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT that ensures smooth acceleration and efficient power delivery. The Yaris is known for its fuel efficiency, offering around 40 mpg combined, making it one of the most economical options in its class. Safety features: Toyota has equipped the Yaris 2025 with the Toyota Safety Sense TSS suite, which includes features such as these features, along with a reinforced body structure, make the Yaris a remarkably safe car. Aerodynamic edges: the new sculpted bodywork reduces drag, contributing to better fuel economy. Hidden storage compartments: under the rear seats, the Yaris features hidden compartments for extra storage, an unexpected feature in a compact vehicle. Enhanced suspension: Toyota has tuned the Yaris suspension for a smoother ride, even on rough urban roads. With its stylish looks, efficient engine, and high-tech features, the 2025 Toyota Yaris offers more than meets the eye. It's perfect for those seeking a blend of practicality, performance, and modern-day tech in an affordable package.